Hello and welcome to another video on this channel. It's been a long time now, but still we're back. And today we're on the chapter squares and cubes. As you can see, I'm making a solid shape around it. And this is not only going to be about squares and cubes, it's also going to be about square roots. Hopefully you can see this. And cube roots. So the video is going to be focusing on both of these. And they're also for grades 7, 8, 9, 10. So if you're struggling with this chapter ever in class or anything, you can just watch this video to clear some of your doubts, hopefully. And also, if you have any doubts, just write in the comments. We'll solve them for you. Don't worry, we'll help you solve them. But let's start then. So the first question, number one, it's asking us which of these is not. Now you have to pay attention to the not, because if you don't see the not, then it's going to be not the, then you're going to get nothing correct. So not is important. Which of these is not a perfect square? And then, so what are we going to do for this? So first we're going to break down every number. So let's start with A first. I mean, not tech mark. Let's start with A, which is 100. So we go 100. Let's HCF this, find the highest common fact. Let's do the HCF method on this. What are we going to do? 2 makes it 50. And if you're unfamiliar with this, you can go check our previous videos, one of our previous videos where we already did this. Now I can see another 2, 25. I can see 5, and then 5 left, 5, 1. So as we can see, these numbers over here, they just indicate the fact that 2 times 2 times 5 times 5 equals to 100. And we can check this as well. 2 times 2 is what? 4. 5 times 5 is what? 25. And 4 times 25 is 100. So it's correct. But what they're asking us is, I'll just erase this so I can have more space. But what they're asking us is the fact that, how do we know if this is a perfect square or not? Well, 2 and 5. We've got two sets of 2 and two sets of 5. So let's characterize these together and these together. 2 times 5, that's what, 10. And 2 times 5 again is again 10. And 10 times 10 is 100. So we can say 10 and 10 equals to 100. So that's why it is a perfect square. 100 is a perfect square because 10 times 10, the same number multiplied, will always equal to 100, which is 10 in this case. So A is not the answer. Let's try B, 784, 784. Well, let's put 784 here to the test. Well, what do we do first? Well, I think 2. Then we get 3 here, 1 there, 1 here, 9, and 2, 392. Let's divide this by 2 again. We get 1, 19, 18, which is 9, and 12, 6. We get 196. Let's do this by 2. We get 98. This again by 2. We get what? 49, I think. 49 plus 49 is 98, yes. And now let's put 49 up here, continuing from here, so we can just write this. 49, 7, I know 7, 7 goes into 49, and that remains 7, 7, 1. So let's check the numbers out now. 2, 2, 2, 2, 7, 7. So we can write them together. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 7 times 7. And now erase this, as this serves no purpose anymore as long as I've got this. Yeah, so what I was saying is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 7 is equal to 784. This is correct. And like we did last time, we can see 2. We can put 2 in a set with 7, and we can also add 2 to that set. Can we not? 2 times 2 times 2 times 7. 2 2s and 1 7. And then here we can do the same. 2, 2, 7. So we've got on one side, I'll just pretend this is a side. On one side we've got 2 times 2 times 7. The other side we've got 2 times 2 times 7. What's 2 times 2 times 7? Well, 2 times 7, if I am doing it correct, is 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 7 is 28. So this is 28, and this is same, 28 as well. So 28 and 28, and that means we can basically say 28 times 28 is equal to 784, and that is another perfect square number. So A and B is not the answer. So this is definitely wrong, as we already proved. This is also very wrong. Let's try this next one. Okay. Well, firstly, the first thing I'm going to do is 2, of course. Make this 1800. 2 again. 900. 2 again. 450. Very simple. 2 again. And then let's continue up here. Which is now 225, I think. 225. I'll make a bit more space for here, like this. 2225, 5. I've got 4 here now, and 545. 5, 9, 3, 3. Okay, so we've got a lot of numbers now. I'll just show you 2. Well, we've got 2 here. This 2. 2 times, wait, I'll write it a bit smaller because then we can't fit all the numbers. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So 4 2's. And then times 5 times 5 times 3 times 3. Oopsies, what was that? This is too much zoom. Oopsie, doopsie. Times 3. Exactly. So we've got all the numbers. What's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2? I mean, no, that's not what we're going to do. We're going to pick out the numbers. So let's first pick 2, for example. And then we can see there's another 2. We can pick this 2 as well. We can pick a 5, and we can pick a 3 on this side. So let's call this A, side A. This is another way I would visualize it to make it easier. And then let's visualize 2, 2 for part B, and 5 for part B, and 3 for part B. Now I'll erase this to make more sense out of this, and I'll make kind of like a dividing, a page where I'll just divide it. So think about this as like a division line, and then have A here, B here, and then, so what have we got in A? So I can see we've got this, 2, 2, 5, 5, no, not 5, 5, 2, 2, 5, 3. 2, 2, 5, 3. And B has got the exact same contents, 2, 2, 5, 3. Well, what does this all, when we multiply this all, what does it equal? Well, I know 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 5, 20, 20 times 3 is 60, so 60. And then this multiplied is also 60, so I can say 60 times 60 equals to 3,600, which means, because these are the same, 60, I mean, 3,600 is a perfect square. So this is also not the answer. So I think here you can conclude that the answer is 4225, 4,225. I mean, for homework, as homework, I want you to solve it and actually tell me if this is actually correct or not. I'm not going to solve it here because otherwise I'm going to do everything and you guys are not going to learn. So I showed you these 3 are wrong. Confirm one time, you guys, if D is actually the correct answer or not. I want to see. Let's see. Question 2. Which of these numbers is not a perfect square? And before I just see a mistake there. Which of these is not a perfect square? So last time I think we had the same type of question. But this time it's with smaller numbers as well. And this time I can just, it's mental maths. This should actually be homework. So actually I'll make this homework because this is mental maths. And I'll give you a clue with this one. Well, 25, factorize 25, make this 5, 5 here, 5, 2 sets of 5, and that means we can put one on the A side and one on the B side. We can say 5 times 5 equals to 25, which means 25 is a perfect square. Is a perfect square. Again, brilliant. So I showed you this is a perfect square, so this cannot be the answer. Now B, C, or D, that's your job to find out. Next question. All right, find the cube root of 9,261. Now this could be a challenging question. Let's have 9261 written first. I'm gonna write it absolutely on the corner. I made a mistake. I'll write it here. 9261. So, what can I put into this to make this a smaller number? Well, I can see what's nine, I think 3 goes inside. So let's put 3 here. Does it? We'll check. 3, 26, 24, 8, 2, 21. Yes, it does. 387. Does 3 go inside again? Yes, it does. I think again. I'm just checking. Um, yes, it does. 3 again? Yeah, 3 goes again, I think, as well. 43. 3 again. No, I'm pretty sure 3 doesn't go again. Does 3 go again? Nope, 3 does not go again. Dilemma. I think we have a dilemma here. Just wait 2 seconds. I'll think this through again. Let me just check. I might have made a mistake. 3, 24, 8, 21, 7. Yes. 3, 1, 6, 27, 9. 3, 4, 43. No, there's no mistake. What is 4 goes inside 43? Wait, just 2 seconds. So like after some 2 minutes or 1 minute of checking, I finally realized what my mistake was. It was that this is 4-digit number. I cannot just divide it by 3 and make it a 3-digit number. So I'll have to do it again. Okay, where does this? I'll just have a look again. 3 fits into 9 3 times. We'll just put 3 here. 26. First a 0. This 0 was a vital 0. That's why zeros are always vital. But I forgot about the 0. So it's 308. Wait, give it 2 seconds. 308, 7. And then divide this by 3 again, because it will divide. 1, 0, 1, 0, 2, 9. And this will go again in 3, and it'll be 9. No, it won't be 9, sorry, it'll be 3. What am I doing? 3, 4, 3. 3, 4, 3, right? Well, there's, 7 goes inside 3, 4, 3, I'm sure of that. Well, then we can see what's here. Um, 34, what goes 4? 49, 7, 7. Well, so we can write this as 3 times 3 times 3 times 7 times 7 times 7, which equals to 9,261. And then now let's do the pairing form again, where we pair this. So I'll say 3, 1, we can have 1, 3. And this time, as it's find the cube root, we won't have 2 pairs, we'll have actually 3 pairs. So you see, this is the first pair. I'm going to name it A, and then I'll take also this in A. In the next, I'll take B. I'll just draw this a bit better. Write this actually, B. And this I'll take as C, and this I'll take as C. So now let's divide a small column here. I'll just make a very small and simple column. Hopefully it's clear. I'll just show you. A, B, C. So in A we have 3 and 7, B we have 3 and 7, C we have 3 and 7, and while all of them equal to, when you multiply them, 21, 21, 21. So what I can say is 21 times 21 times 21 is equal to 9261. So that means the cube root of 9261 is 21. So the answer is 21. That's the final answer. I got a bit of a mix-up on this part, but it's fine. We still got it correct at the end. This part now. Which of these is not a perfect, not again, just take clear of that. Not a perfect cube. 729. Let's have a look here. 729. So 3, definitely. 2, 2, 4, 3. 3 again. Pretty sure goes inside. Yes. 81. 3 one more time. Let's draw this a bit, but 381, 27, Yeah, 27. 3. Ooh, this is 9. 3 again. 3 to 3. And then, well, 3 times 3. Well, no, I can't write that yet. Yeah, no, I can actually. Why not? 3 times 3 times 3. How many threes are there? There's one, two, three, four, five, six, 6 threes. Times 3 times 3 times 3. One, mm, and we have to classify them into a perfect cube. Remember cube, so we're gonna have to classify them into 3 different sections. So I'll say A for one. So I'll call this A, and I think by looking at this, I can take another 3 as A. I can take this as B. I can take this as B. I can take this as C, and I can take this as C. So all of them are, now I'll draw another I'll draw another table-ish thing that I divide into 3 columns. Here it is. Not the most neat, I know, but here's A, here's B, here's C. Well, in A we have 3 and 3, in B we have 3 and 3, in C we have 3 and 3. All of them equal to 9. And we know 9 times 9 times 9 equals to 729. So we know 9 is the perfect cube of 729. So we know this is not the answer. This can't be the answer. Now, the next one I'll also do, 216, but you have to tell me which one it is. If I get is 216, I'm already telling you from the start it's not the answer, but I'm still going to show you why it's not the answer. This one I'll show you. I will show you. I will show these two, C or D. Which one is it? You have to tell me. And I'm pretty sure already by looking you can tell which one it is. The second I saw this question, I was like, oh, very easy. Of course it's, but yeah, I'll show you 216. Here you are, 216. Quick, 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 quick. Let's do this. I want to make this a less than 20-minute video. So let's try this. 216. 216. No, yes, 216. Well, we know 2 goes into 216 because this is an even number. So we know 10 here, 8, 108, another 2, we can say 54, another 2, which is 20, 20 what? 27, yes. Then we can say 3, 3, 3. I made a mistake here, 9. But yeah, still, anyway. So I can say 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3 is equal to 216. Do you agree? If you do not, then watch the part of the video again, but this is the thing that I can conclude already. But I have to do something else now. I have to classify them into, yes, 3 groups again, and this time I will put groups of 2 and 3s. So you see now, this is group A, I'll say, and then I'll take a B. I'll take this in group A. I'll take this in group B. You can be in group B. You can be in group C. You're in group C. So A, B, C, B, A, B, C, B. And now let's make a bit easy table again, like we always do, just to make it a bit easier and understandable. A, B, C. And we've got 2 and 3 in this, 2 and 3 in this, 2 and 3 in this, 2 and 3 in this. Yeah. So what's 2 times 3? Not here, sorry. What's 2 times 3? Well, we know 2 times 3 is what? Mental math 6. Yeah. And then I can say 6 times 6 times 6 is equal to 216. So that means 6 is the perfect cube of 216. And that's why it's not the answer. So which one's the answer? CRD, you tell me in the chat. But other than that, thanks for watching. And by the looks of it, it is a less than 20-minute video. So I'll see you next week. Bye bye.